broken off. He took and ground the sides a little bit. And then I took a 3/4 piece of pipe, smashed it a little, and I'm sliding it over. I'm going to JB weld that together. So then I'll make a wooden plug for the other end, and that should work. This is where I'm at with the handle. That'll all get ground off smooth, and then I'll paint the whole thing some color. But I was looking at this handle, and it's not going to have a thing to fill that hole. So I think I'm going to weld a little piece in there so it's blocked off. And then I'll be ready to put it all back together. So the handle project is completely painted, and the wood part sort of blends in with the other, but there was a way to salvage the broken handle. So we'll see how that goes. This is my view high atop the great Avion. I have been tasked to take off the sealant that somebody put on the roof. The process includes heating it up and scraping it off with these plastic scrapers. Just me. Not quite hot enough. Are we having fun up there?
We are.
That's good. Let's go see what Ruth is doing. Oh, this is a horrible process of heating up all this goop they put down.
I love sweating my brains out and scraping to the oldies.
Nice. Well, at least it's so much cooler today.
It is, and it's a cleansing experience.
It's cleansing. Yeah, after she heats it up with the gun.
Who needs those sweat huts?
Yeah, sauna on the roof.
Oh, it is.
Then she takes a little bit of paint thinner, turpentine, and cleans off the extra.
There's one section that's kind of done.
It looks like after the goopy's wiped off. So, yep, about a 4 by 20 foot long spot, maybe 4 by 18 because we got some at the end.
Yeah. I think I have, what? Like a 6 by 4 section cleaned.
So after you get the panes out, this is what the overall frame looks like. And I think I'm going to have to do some rivet hole repair as well. I've got several that aren't in good shape. This is the individual jealousy window frame, which I will clean up, restore. We're thinking about possibly painting them a color. Haven't decided what yet. But there's a lot of corrosion and they just don't look very good. That's all I've gotten done so far. That's the majority of the windows. I just have one left to pull apart, and then I'll start cleaning them more intensely and repairing holes and doing some straightening. I was gonna get replacement windows, but I don't know if you can tell, these windows don't lay flat. There's a curve to them, so it's pretty hard to find a replacement window that curves.